Here's another study tip from the Learning Cauldron to help with your English revision. If you're handing in an essay that you've worked on at home, there is no excuse for mistakes, as you have the time to proofread what you've written properly. Here are 2 quick techniques to improve your proofreading. Firstly, read your text out loud, word by word. This will allow you to notice any extra or missing words more easily. Secondly, start reading your essay from the last sentence backwards. In other words, read the last sentence, then the second last, etc. This will stop your brain from skipping over the text, which means that you're more likely to spot mistakes than you might otherwise do. Give these 2 techniques a try and see how many errors you can find that you missed the first time round.